Hey folks, I'm here at Christmas Valley, Oregon. Very small town. Let me show you around. Very small town. Sorry for the wind noise, but very small town. I don't know the population. I'll have it up on the screen for you. But my destination is Selma. My destination is Selma, Oregon. I'm going there to see a couple of friends. Probably be there for 2 months, maybe longer. I've got a place to stay there. Guy's gonna let me park in his yard or on his property, whatever. But let me show you around some more. This is where I gassed up. I only have about 228 miles. About 228 miles to go to Selma, Oregon. I hope that wind's not bothering you. It's quite windy here. Take a look at those flags right there. They're waving out pretty good. And yeah, you're reading that right. $6.59 for diesel. And that's, as you can see, it's fast break gas station. A rig back there. They've let me for the night. Gotta get back over there to Stubby. Anyhow, I just figured I'd let you see what it looked like around me. Anyhow, that's gonna be it for this video, and we'll see you soon.